auto parts. They say it should fit. This should fit this car. I mean, it's not gonna be much, but at least it's gonna sticks out a little bit, like 1/4 inch. So we're gonna try that. There you go. So these things are moving around like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the paint tape. Make sure it stays in the center, like this. They make them universal, so for fit different cars, like this here. So now it's gonna like in the middle. I mean, it stays perfect. So now we're gonna put the wheel back on. Once again, for this angle, I'm gonna use, because I'm gonna leave this side, so I'm gonna put it on the right side rear. Because the car goes like this, so it will support the car, it won't slide down. So we got a little hill here, it's not really level, so always keep in mind.